So I just want to give a huge welcome to you all today, and I hope you're going to have a really enjoyable day. Today is about space, and the space industry is absolutely hugely growing. It's about getting involved, trying new things out and seeing what opportunities are out there.
Who is our very own British European Space Agency astronaut.
So you'd probably enjoy the parabolic flights. Nearly a mile away from the base of the most of the things you haven't for the first time in 30 years.
We've said, what do you need to be able to do to survive on the moon? And so they're putting together all their different designs and doing it in junk modelling so we can see what shelters they need, what they need to survive.
I'm going to make the gold there, which is going to be a door. And then I'm going to get one of these and label it as a storage room.
It is 24 hours plus this was number 23 of it. Me.
Hello, we're ESRO UK, the European Space Education Resource Office, using space to inspire and engage young people. Today we've got a great little reaction test that we're doing where we're testing the reaction times of children, because of course in space you need to be able to react very quickly, and it's been great, very competitive actually. There's been some really good questions as well around space itself, different planets, and what's important when working in space, because of course it's not just all about being an astronaut, there's so many other jobs to do as well. So it's great to be here at Millennium Point.